So here we are going to start the logical group of instruction. So in case of the logical group of instruction, as we have seen the two groups, that is data transfer and arithmetical group. Now we are going to start the logical group of instruction. So in this we have the first instruction, that is ANA, and this ANA stands for logical and with accumulator. Logical and with accumulator. See, in case of the logical group of instruction, we have different basic gates that we have seen in the last year, that is AND, OR, then XOR. So all these instructions are based on these three basic gates. So in case of that, we are going to see the truth table, means with the help of truth table we are going to solve this all instruction. So we should know the truth table for AND gate, then OR gate and XOR gate. Okay, so the first instruction, which is based on the AND gate and it is based on the AND truth table. So we have logical AND with accumulator. So the meaning of this instruction, this is a single byte instruction, means 1 byte instruction. So the meaning of 1 byte, here opcode and operand is implicit in a single byte. So after the execution of this instruction, the content of accumulator is logically ANDing with the content of register or the memory location. So this is the use of the instruction ANA, and here S, Z, P. These flags are modified to reflect the answer. So here carry flag is set, and auxiliary carry flag is reset. Okay, SZP means sign flag, zero flag and parity flag are modified to reflect the answers. Carry flag is set and auxiliary carry flag is reset. Okay, so for example we are going to see A and A B. Okay, so suppose I have given the contents of accumulator, and the content of accumulator it is 67H, and you have the content of resistor B equal to 59H. So here after the execution of this instruction, what you have to do, you have to only put the contents of accumulator. First of all, convert this content into binary. So it will come 0 1 1 0. Okay, 0 1 1 1. So this is the content of accumulator. Now you have given the content of resistor B. So it is 0 1 0 1 and 9 1 0 0 1. Okay, so now what we are going to perform? See, 1 1. So in case of the AND gate means what? A dot B. Okay, so we know the truth table of A dot B. We have the four conditions 0 0 0 1. So 0 0 it will come 0. Then 0 1 will come 1. Sorry, 0. 1 0 will come 0 and 1 1 will come 1. So this is the truth table for A dot B, that is your AND gate. So according to this truth table, we are going to solve this question. So 1 1 1, so it comes 1. 1 0 0. 1 0 0. 0 1 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, and here 1, again here 0. So this will be the answer of A and A, B. So what is the answer? 0 1 0 0 means it's 4 2 H. Okay, so this is the answer after the execution of A and A, B. So likewise, so this is a single byte instruction. Now in case of the A and A, we have the 2 byte instruction, and that 2 byte instruction is nothing but A and I. So this A and I, it is a 2 byte instruction. So it is 2 byte means what? 1 byte it is given to opcode, and 1 byte it is given to the operand, that is your immediate data. Okay, so here how we are going to perform this? If for example, if you are given the immediate data, so the content of immediate data will be AND with the content of accumulator. So this will be solved with the, again we can solve this one by using the given data. पण इथे तुम्हाला immediate data दिलेला असेल. So the immediate data is nothing but, for example, your instruction is in this way 27H, and you have given the contents of accumulator. So these are 98H. Now you solve this one into your notebook. See this one, you have given the instruction A and I 27H, and you have given the accumulator contents 98H. सो हे तुम्हाला तुमच्या टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये सॉल्व करायचं आहे आता लगेच. ओके, सो नाव इन दिस केस you can take the contents of accumulator. First of all, convert it into binary. Again, take the contents of this immediate data, convert it into binary, and solve with the help of truth table of A dot B. Okay, so here we have seen the 2 instructions for logical ANDing, that is A and A and I. Now we are going to see the 2 different instructions for logical ORing, that is which depends upon the truth table of OR gate. So third, it is the ORA. So the meaning of ORA, logical OR with the content of accumulator, logically ORing the content of accumulator. So here it is a single byte instruction, 1 byte instruction. So 1 byte means opcode and operand, it is implicit in a single byte. So for example, the contents of accumulator is logically ORed with the contents of registers. For example, you have given the instruction ORAD. So accumulator's contents are given. Accumulator is equal to, it is 78H, and you have given the register D. So the register D content, it is 94H. So we are going to perform the OR operation, OR logical operation. So it is nothing but A plus B, means 0 0 it will come 0, 0 1 it will come 1, then 1 0 will come 1, 1 1 it will come 1, likewise. Okay, so what we have to perform then? Logical ORing. So first of all, convert this number 0 1 1 and 1 0 0 0. So 9 it is 1 0 0 1, and 4 it is 0 1 0 0. So logical ORing 0 0 is 0. Again 0 0 0. Now 0 1 it is 1. 1 0 1 0 it is 1. So put here 1. Again 1 1. What is 1 1? It is 1. 1 0. Again 1. 1 0. Again 1. And 0 1. Again 1. So you have the answer F. So it is 12, means C. F C H. So this is the answer of logical ORing. Okay, so you can perform the logical ORing with the help of this truth table. So this is one group, that is ORA. Now we are going to see the 2-byte instruction of OR gate, and the 2-byte instruction of OR gate is nothing but ORI. Just like your ANI, we have seen the ANA. Now this is ANA, ANI. Now next group it is ORA and ORI. Okay, so ORI, it is a 2-byte instruction. So it is 2-byte instruction. How we are going to identify it? With the help of this I. I stands for immediate data. So immediate, all the instructions coming under the immediate data are of 2 bytes. Okay, keep in mind that. So how we are going to find out that? ORI, I stands for immediate data. So the contents of immediate data will be ORing with the content of accumulator. Suppose you have given ORI 88H and you have the content of accumulator, it is 23H. Now solve this one into your notebook with the help of OR gate. So note down this one and try to solve. Okay. Now this 4 instruction we have seen of logical group. Now next we are going to see XRA. Which instruction it is? XRA. So XRA, it stands for exclusive OR with accumulator. So it is exclusive OR with accumulator. So we know the truth table of exclusive OR. So exclusive OR actually, so see 0 0 means same input is there, then you will get 1. If different is there, then you will get 0. Okay. One correction is there. If 0 0, if same input is there, then you will get the 0. If different input is there, then you will get the 1. So when you have 0 0, then you will get 0. If 0 1, then 1. Here 1 1, it will come 0 likewise. Okay. सेम इनपुट दिला आपण तर आउटपुट आपल्याला 0 मिळते, पण जर डिफरंट इनपुट असेल तर तुम्हाला आउटपुट काय मिळणार आहे? 1. सो दिस इज द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ एक्सक्लुझिव्ह ऑर गेट. हा ट्रूथ टेबल आहे आणि ह्या ट्रूथ टेबलनुसार आपल्याला इन्स्ट्रक्शन फॉलो करायची आहे. सो यू हॅव गिवन द इन्स्ट्रक्शन XRA, exclusive OR with the accumulator. So it is a single byte instruction. Again keep in mind that it is a single byte instruction. Opcode and operand is implicit in a single byte. Okay, so in case of this, the content of accumulator is exclusively OR with the contents of register, and flags are modified here, that is S, Z, P. These flags are modified according to the result. Carry and auxiliary carry flag are reset, that is carry and auxiliary carry flags are reset. ते reset होतात म्हणजे ते 0 असतात. Okay, so now here we'll see one example. XRAC. So the content of accumulator, it is 94H, and the content of register C, it is 56H. Okay, so what we are going to do, first of all convert this into binary. So 5 0 1 0 1 6 0 1 1 0. So 0 0 you will get 0. 0 1 1 0 1 1, see 0 1 1 0 1 again 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. So this is your resulting answer. What is that? C, then E, C E H. This is your resulting answer. Okay. So these are the 5 instruction, and the 2 byte instruction of XRA, it is nothing but XRI. Now you can tell it logically, you can tell it that it is XRI. So it is the 2 byte instruction. Again same, किती बाईटची instruction आहे ही? XRI, it is a 2 byte instruction, exclusive or with the content of immediate data. Immediate data बरोबर ते content काय होतात? Exclusive or होतात. Okay. So again I am giving you one example. So it is 55H and the content of accumulator, it is 97H. So you perform this one in your notebook. Okay. So try to solve it. It's easy to solve. Okay. Now here we will see the next instruction, and it is the getting. So these are the 6 instruction that we have seen, which is on the base of AND gate, OR gate and exclusive OR. So when we have the AND gate, then we have the which instruction? ANA, ANI. Then we have the OR gate, we have the instruction ORA, ORI. Then exclusive OR means XRA and XRI. Now next instruction that we are going to see, it is nothing but which when we want to compare the contents. जर आपल्याला 2 नंबर्समध्ये कंपॅरिझन करायचं असेल तर त्या 2 नंबर्समधल्या कंपॅरिझनसाठी जर आपल्याकडे इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत, वी हॅव द इन्स्ट्रक्शन इन मायक्रोप्रोसेसर. नाव वी आर गोइंग टू सी द इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स फॉर कंपॅरिझन. So compare, it is nothing but the CMP. CMP stands for compare with accumulator. What is the use of this instruction? Compare with accumulator. Now in case of this instruction, it is a single byte instruction. So this instruction compares the content of the operand with the contents of accumulator. What is this instruction does? It is a single byte instruction. So this instruction compares the content of operand. So operand means your content of register or your content of memory location. एक तर कंटेंट रजिस्टरमध्ये स्टोर्ड असतील किंवा ते कंटेंट मेमरी लोकेशनमध्ये स्टोर्ड असतील. So what this instruction does, it compares the content of operand means your register or memory location with the content of accumulator. Okay. So there are the 3 conditions here to see the comparison. So both contents are preserved and a result of comparison is shown by setting the flags. So there are the 2 flags which going to be set or reset. That is your carry flag and the 0 flag. Here we are going to see the 3 conditions. So the first one, if your accumulator contents is less than the contents of register or the memory location, okay, content of register or memory location, then your carry flag is set. Carry flag is set. जर accumulatorचे कंटेंट हे रजिस्टर किंवा मेमरी लोकेशनच्या कंटेंटपेक्षा लहान असतील तर कुठला फ्लॅग सेट होणार आहे? then the carry flag is set. Now B, if the contents of accumulator is equal to the content of register or memory location, then zero flag is set. Then zero flag is set. Okay, so we have the third one. If the content of, last one, if the content of accumulator is greater than the content of register or memory location, then zero flag, both flags means zero and carry flag, zero and carry flag is reset. हे दोघंही फ्लॅग काय होतात, रिसेट होतात. सो दीज आर द थ्री कंडिशन्स. सी अगेन आय एम टेलिंग यू, इफ contents of accumulator is less than the content of register or memory location, then carry flag is set. If accumulator contents are equal to the contents of register or memory location, then zero flag is set. And if the content of accumulator is greater than the content of register or memory location, then both flag, that is zero and carry flag, is reset. So here we are going to see one example. Okay, so according to this conditions only. Suppose you have given, so here this is the syntax, compare register or compare your memory location. Okay, so suppose, see, number 1, you have given the contents of accumulator and you have given the contents of register. Okay, so suppose the content of accumulator, it is 29H and the content of register, it is 14H. So second, this is 1. Now we'll see second. If the content of accumulator is 32H and this is also 32H. And then next one, if you have given the contents of accumulator, it is 10 means 0AH, and here you have given the contents, it is 07H, or we can take here 0CH. Okay, so here carry flag and here zero flag. So according to the condition that we have seen, three conditions. So here the contents of accumulator is greater than the content of your register L. So if it is greater than, then which flags? So both flags are reset. So here it will come 0, 0. If the content of accumulator is equal to the content of register L, then your zero flag is set. Zero flag is set. If the content of accumulator is less than the content of register L, then your carry flag is set. Less than असेल तर carry flag set होतो. Okay, so in this way we can find out the answer with the help of this comparison instruction. Now next instruction of the comparison. So it is a 1 byte instruction. आता compare मध्ये जर 2 byte instruction असेल तर आपल्याला simply इथे काय असणार आहे? It's the CPI. Which this instruction, it is CPI. So if it is a CPI, so here we have the I. So this is nothing but the 2 byte instruction. Okay, ती किती बाईटची असणार आहे? 2 byte. Means what? Compare the content with accumulator च्या ऐवजी काय येईल? With the immediate data. Immediate data तो तुम्हाला दिलेला असणार आहे. सो त्याबरोबर आपला डेटा काय होतो? कंपेअर केला जातो. इमिडिएट डेटा. ओके, सो या ठिकाणी ॲक्युमुलेटरच्या कंटेंटच्या ऐवजी कुठले कंटेंट येतील? द कंडिशन्स आर सेम. मोरएव्हर द कंडिशन्स इन compare Same, these are in this condition, this instruction also, but only it never compares the data with accumulator, it compares the data with this immediate data. Okay, so same condition, but only the data will change. So this both instruction we are going to use for the comparison of any two number. Okay, so next instruction that we are going to see, in case of the logical group, and it is nothing but the CMA. So this CMA stands for complement the content of accumulator. Okay, it is very much easy instruction, complement the accumulator. So in subtraction program we have seen this. For example, suppose CMA it is given and you have given the contents of accumulator, it is 57H. आता 57 म्हणजे काय, 010101. आता ही इन्स्ट्रक्शन परफॉर्म केल्यानंतर इन्स्ट्रक्शन आन्सर काय येईल आपलं, 10101000, म्हणजे 0 हा 1 मध्ये होतो, 1 हा 0 मध्ये होतो. सो ही कॉम्प्लिमेंटची इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे. इट इज अ सिंगल बाईट इन्स्ट्रक्शन, ही सुद्धा सिंगल बाईट इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे आणि या इन्स्ट्रक्शनमध्ये कुठलाही फ्लॅग्स हा अफेक्ट होत नाही. आणि याच्यानंतरची जी इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे ती आहे CMC, म्हणजे कॉम्प्लिमेंट द कंटेंट ऑफ कॅरी. इथे कॅरी फ्लॅग कॉम्प्लिमेंट होणार आहे, कॉम्प्लिमेंट द कॅरी. ओके, सो कॅरी. So what is the use of this instruction? It is a single byte instruction. When executed, it complements the carry and no flags are affected. So it is CMC, means what? If your carry flag is 1, then it becomes 0. आणि तो 0 असेल तर तो काय होणार आहे, 1. कॅरी फ्लॅगला तो कॉम्प्लिमेंट करतो. नेक्स्ट इन्स्ट्रक्शन इज STC, means what? सेट कॅरी. कॅरी सेट करायची म्हणजे कॅरी काय येणार आहे, 1. सेट कंडिशन काय असते, 1. म्हणजे तुमचा कॅरी फ्लॅग हा नेहमी काय येतो, 1 असतो. ओके, सो दिस इज अ 1 बाईट इन्स्ट्रक्शन. सो इथपर्यंतच्या आपण इन्स्ट्रक्शन बघितल्यात. याच्यानंतरच्या ज्या 4 इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत त्या रोटेशनच्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस एखादं बीट हे लेफ्टला शिफ्ट करायचं असेल तर आपण शिफ्ट लेफ्टच्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन यूज करणार, किंवा ते राईटला शिफ्ट करायचं असेल तर आपण शिफ्ट राईट यूज करणार. तर ह्या इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपण वी विल सी इन अनदर व्हिडिओ.